might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I am going to be getting my house straightened up. I had just got home from work. I have a lot to do. I also need to get some laundry done, and I'm going to be cooking dinner. I'm going to share one of the recipes that I always make. It is like a family favorite in our house. So if you are interested, stick around and let's get into it.
Baby, I'm on yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get...
I am starting in the living room today, and because it was literally the dirtiest room in the house, I was doing laundry. Our kids were doing homework. Their book bags were everywhere. I had so much stuff to do in here, and I had to put away some paper towels. We just stocked up on some paper towels. And this closet right here, I am definitely going to be pulling everything out, cleaning everything, taking everything out of it that doesn't belong. It has literally become like a catch-all. I don't know what it is with the little rooms and the closets in my house, but they literally become a catch-all for everyone. So it is all cleaning stuff, but it's also some like winter hats and things like that that we had that's easy accessible right there by the door. So they just kind of got stored there. So I'm gonna get all that cleaned out too, but that's gonna be in a future video.
I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna give the living room and the hallway a really quick vacuum, and then I'm gonna go over the floors with my Swiffer wet jet. I'm not gonna get my mop out or anything today. It doesn't really need all of that. I do use my steamer in the kitchen because it's been raining here and my dog comes in and out. Yes, we do wipe his feet, but he still has little footprints everywhere. So I'm just gonna use my steamer for that and just make it super quick and easy tonight.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things.
Now the fun part. If you've been following me for a while, or if you know me, you know that laundry is my least favorite chore in the entire world. I hate it. It's just, I don't know why I hate it so much. I just do. It's like a never-ending task, and oh my god, I just don't like it. It's just one of those chores that I just don't like to do. I dread doing it, but it has to get done. So I am doing a few loads. This is the only load that I record because once you've seen one load, you've seen them all. But I have tons that I've got to get done, so I'm going to get this folded, put away.
Time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
Okay, now moving on to the kitchen. I really don't have a whole lot to do in here, but I do need to take the trash out. I need to gather all the trash that's on the table and on the counters, wipe everything down, and wipe my appliances down, things like that. And then I'm going to get into actually making dinner. We were able to finally eat at home, so I decided to go ahead and cook a meal for my family that they love.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and load the dishwasher after I wiped everything down. Once I get all this loaded and the dishwasher started, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and mop my kitchen floor and clean my appliances, and then I'll be finished in here.
To feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine.
Okay, after I got the dishes loaded in the dishwasher, I'm just going to clean my sink real fast and wipe everything down. I'm not going to do too much because I do have dinner that I have to make here in just a minute, so I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just wiping everything down, and then I'll be done with that, and then I'll move on.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna give my floor just a really quick once over with my Shark steam mop. This is great for just really fast, quick, easy, no mess kind of situation. You only need it and some water. So if you're interested in this, I'll link it down below and you can go check it out. But it's really nice whenever you're just wanting to hurry up, clean the floor, and get it done.
Time and stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us.
Now I'm going to go ahead and start making dinner. Tonight we are going to have cream of mushroom chicken. All you need is chicken breast and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and it's super easy and really, really good. But I show step by step what you should do here, and then I'll link everything down, all the directions down below. It's very easy to make, it's quick, and it's so good.
It's all about us.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is, if you are using like frozen chicken breasts, you're going to thaw those out. And then once they're thawed out, I just go over, rinse them, clean them really good, cut any of like the little pieces of chicken that you don't like on there. Like I don't like some of the little white pieces that are on there. So I cut those off. Then I put them in a frying pan with some olive oil. And then I just brown them. And then once they're browned, you can take both of the cans of cream of mushroom soup, pour both of them in there. Sometimes you can add a little bit of water in the can, stir it around, and then pour the water in there as well, so it kind of thins out. And then once it cooks and it heats up, it starts thickening up. It is so good and super easy. That's it. That's all you have to do. You can add some salt and pepper in there too if you wanted some of that, but that's literally all you have to do. And then the sides that we were having was macaroni and cheese, of course, because of my son, and then green beans, and that's it.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying.
Also, FYI, I need new pans. I have been looking at pans for a while, and I found the ones that I want. Now I just have to find them. Sam's Club had them. I went there tonight to look, and they no longer have them. So I need to probably just go on Amazon and order some. But I've had these pots and pans for so many years. Probably when me and my husband first got together, and that was like 14 years ago, I want to say. So it's been a while, and they've been used and abused, and I definitely need some new ones. So those are to come soon.
It's gonna rise and fly and leave the goals between the lines. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong.
I got my chicken browned, and then I went ahead and added 2 cans of the cream of mushroom soup. So I'm going to let that simmer for a little bit because that soup is going to thicken up, and I might even add a little bit of water to it to kind of thin it out first, and then it'll thicken back up, and it makes it really nice and creamy and it's really good. I have some green beans. I didn't do a whole lot because only me and my husband will eat those, and then our macaroni and cheese, which is almost done. And then I'll show you what it all looks like whenever it's together. I'll leave all this stuff linked down below, so if you want to try this recipe, you can. It's super good. Super, super good.
I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the goals between the lines. Whatever you do, what we were, now he's my silver lining. Whenever you call, what you say, you're nothing but a gold ring. To be true, say I do, but you're no one I needed in life. Oh, that is why you are stuck between the lines. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, oh, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, oh, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines.
Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed me including, me making dinner for my family. I have other recipes that I could share on here, so if you're interested in that, let me know down below and I can go ahead and start incorporating that in here. But if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button along with the little bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you all on Tuesday. Have a great week and weekend. Bye, guys.